And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Let's tell you about some netball now. Sunshine Girls captain Jhaniele Fowler and her West Coast Fever team produced an impressive performance, beating the Collingwood Magpies with fellow Sunshine Girls shooter Shimona Nelson 71-57. And that was in the Suncorp Super Netball League in Brisbane on Tuesday. West Coast Fever ended the first quarter in the lead at 17-14. They added 22 more goals, closing at 39-30. And headed into the halftime break leading with 9 goals. Despite a close third quarter and a strong push by the Magpies, the Fever outscored them by 1 goal, 15-14, and ended the final ahead 54-44. Fowler dominated the shooting for the Fever, scoring 62 goals from 67 attempts. The win moved the team to 4th place in the 12-team championship or the 8-team championship. They are on 12 points in 4th place in that competition.